Hey everyone, I'm gonna do a just a short video, hopefully, on my process of changing the oil in my truck. It's fun. It's kind of Mickey Mouse because I don't have a garage or anything like that. I don't trust the ramps to pull my truck up on. I don't want to get mushed. But let me turn you guys around here, and I'll kind of just do a little walkthrough of the process. I've already got the truck up on up on its supports. I'll show that to you real fast, and we'll get this thing started here. Don't mind my dirty engine. I live on a dirt road, but I always take the old cap off. I just take it off and I put it right here, right where the hood would latch. That way, you know, if you go to close your hood, it's not going to shut. You're going to think, oh crap, I forgot to put that on. I don't know, that's just one of the little things I did when I worked at a dealership. But the old filter, I don't know if you can see it, right there. Oh, nope, don't focus on my finger. Whoop. Yep, right down there. I use this is a Dodge, but I use a Motorcraft oil filter. It's the best price for the filter, and I just buy what's on sale. I don't go fancy crazy. I used to, until I got hit and totaled my truck that I used to have, and I babied that thing and dumped a ton of money in it, and I just don't think it's worth it to dump all that extra money in for something that you don't really need to. I'm gonna make my catch pans here. Try to do this all cheap as possible. Try to do it one-handed. Not cut any daggone fingers off either. That would be like a bad day. Oh yeah, but I forgot to show you my fancy ramps. Look at them fancy ramps there, guys. That is the Cole Lumber special ramps. Those are scrap pieces of wood I had laying around that I just stacked up just high enough for me to wiggle underneath and throw the old plug out and all that good stuff. Let's see. Alright, well, I'm gonna go throw this stuff away and be right back. Alrighty. This drain plug was it was oversized before I even got the truck. So someone was stripped out the original, so I got it's a 17 millimeter on mine. I think originally they're supposed to be like a 15 millimeter or so. Let's see, yeah, that's a 17 I got on here. Break that bad boy loose. There she is. Set this over here so I don't lose it. And do the yes, I wear gloves. My main thing with gloves now is that the kids are in their car seats in the truck, And if they need me, I can pull my gloves off and I don't have to wash my hands. I am ready to help them do whatever they need me to do. So, now we're in the bumper. There it is. All right, well, let's try it. Let's see. I usually get messy with this. Well, that's my little fancy wrench there. This is the first time I've ever used it on this, so let's hope it works well. I think I'm actually gonna have to take that off, that extension. There's a neighbor. Oh, this is a weird angle. And I'm downwind from the oil, so if it starts splattering, I'm going to probably get hot oil in the face. It's got this little ramp right here. It drains the oil down. I don't know if it's supposed to make it easier or what. I use German specifications on this, Guten Tag. Probably not that funny. I know. I always think it is. Alrighty. Got a clean rag out here. I'm outside of the bumper. Alright. Try to get inside of the air dam here. Take my fancy white hat off. I'll just clean off around here just a little bit. Yeah. Close my eyes and just a little bit of brake cleaner on the mating surface for the O-ring of the oil filter. And then get that oil. That was my head. That was not. Put just a little bit of oil on the new oil filter O-ring. New oil is what I usually do. The reason that is because I usually get all kinds of dust in the drain pan from underneath my truck, so I don't really like to do that. Put the old oil back on that O-ring with all that debris. good thing about wearing gloves, when you take it off, your hand is like, it's like you got super glue on your daggone hands. Everyone at the dealership fussed at me because they would say, "What'd you do, put that filter back on with a wrench?" And I would always tell them, "No, I did not. Use my meat paws." Alrighty. Let's see if I can't. Wires look good. Alright. Then I just take a rag and I go up and then back down on this little drain tray spillway thingy my bobber. Try to just wipe up any spills. Hey, good thing about when you spill oil, it's kind of a rust inhibitor. It almost looks like I might have a water pump leaking. Huh. See? That's why you look around. I got a slight... Let me turn the camera around. But, after you get the old filter on and you make sure you got the drain plug tight back there, wipe it off just a hair. Just give it a little spray of brake clean. You know, just let the wind blow all the rest of it in your eyes like I just did. Whew. Alrighty. Well, and I've got to get the oil containers out and put it over here. So when I put the new oil in, I just got some Vaseline at Royal King. Sorry about the fancy camera work here. We're just going to get up here. Let's see. Something else I like to do. When you have a shed where this stuff sits, look at that crap in that funnel just from where it was been setting. Brake clean is cheap. Voila. Because like sometimes I forget to wipe those out when I get done. No big deal. Got my fancy toolbox. Alrighty, well, gloves, that. Ooh. And then I get to climb up here because I'm short and put some oil in it. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold the camera and pour the oil or my cell phone, that is. But that's all you do. Just put the oil in it, let it run, check for leaks underneath, and that's how I do my oil changes. Somebody might have a better concept, but when you don't have a garage or a concrete slab or pavement, you gotta just do what you gotta do. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Like and subscribe.